Have you ever felt like you had to hide your true feelings just to stay positive? Or maybe you've been told to just look on the bright side when you're struggling. While positivity is often seen as a great trait, there's a darker side to it that we rarely discuss. We dive deep into the issues that shape our mental and emotional well-being. Today, we're talking about toxic positivity, what it is, how it impacts us, and most importantly, how we can break free from its grip. Stick around, because this could change the way you think about positivity forever. 1. What is toxic positivity? Toxic positivity is the belief that no matter how challenging or painful a situation is, one should always maintain a positive mindset. It's the overgeneralization of positivity to the point where it denies, suppresses, or invalidates genuine emotions. While optimism has its place, toxic positivity forces us to ignore reality and dismiss our natural emotional responses. Examples of toxic positivity: saying everything happens for a reason to someone grieving a loss, responding with just stay positive when someone shares their struggles, avoiding conversations about difficult emotions altogether in favor of uplifting dialogue. 2. The harmful effects of toxic positivity. Toxic positivity can lead to emotional suppression. When people feel they must always appear happy, they may bottle up negative emotions, leading to stress, anxiety, or even depression. Shame and isolation. Individuals may feel guilty for experiencing emotions like sadness or anger, making them less likely to reach out for support. Strained relationships. Insisting on positivity can make others feel unheard and invalidated, damaging personal connections. 3. Why does it happen? Toxic positivity often stems from good intentions. People want to be supportive but may not know how to handle negative emotions, whether their own or others. Society also plays a role, promoting the idea that positivity equals strength and negativity equals weakness. 4. How to recognize and avoid toxic positivity. Acknowledge your feelings. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or scared. These emotions are valid and part of the human experience. Offer empathy, not solutions. Instead of saying, cheer up, try, I'm here for you. This sounds really tough. Create space for vulnerability. Allow yourself and others to express emotions without judgment. Focus on balance. It's not about ignoring positivity, but understanding that it's okay to feel a full range of emotions. 5. Healthy positivity versus toxic positivity. Healthy positivity supports emotional well-being by validating feelings and encouraging growth. It's about saying, I know this is hard, but I believe you'll get through it, rather than just be happy and forget about it. So, the next time someone shares their struggles or you're grappling with your own emotions, remember this: true strength lies in facing your feelings, not hiding them behind a forced smile. Let's move away from toxic positivity and embrace authentic emotional connections. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that challenges the way we think and helps us grow. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever experienced toxic positivity? And how did you handle it? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself.